How you doing? I'm Chris Thompson. Welcome to 326 Mulberry Street in Hagerstown, Maryland. Let's go take a tour of this house. Enter into the foyer with new LVP flooring. To the right, large windows, large living and dining space. New kitchen. Just past the kitchen, laundry room with more storage. Walkouts to the backyard. Basement. Great storage and pantry room. Bath. Let's take a walk upstairs. And at the top of the stairs, there's a large bathroom with all new finishes. Bedroom number 1.